Hello, this is Dave from Elliott Data Systems. In this video, we're going to walk through the process of searching for a record. Now that you've created an ID and we have all of our IDs in the database, we might want to know how to search and try to find those records within the database. We've got a few ways that you can do that. One of the first one is to use the same method at which we created the record, and that's to use our ID. Again, from the enrollment screen, slide our card into the reader, captures the information, click search, finds my record, it will display it, and then I can make any changes that I might want to. I can add more details like skills and qualifications or personal assets that I might have or emergency information, that kind of thing. If someone comes up with their ID that they carry around, you remember that secondary ID that we placed in there, I can take and be on my enrollment screen, click scan, click search, and it again brings me to my record. We'll go back to the beginning again. Say I really only know my first name, I can type in DAV if I wanted to find out all the Davids that I have in the system. You can see here we have multiple Davids. If I had a full list of Davids and I wanted to filter it down even more, I have a filter bar at the top, and here I can actually add certain filters. Click search, it'll narrow it down even further. Clear filter button. If you're looking, this is listing just the active personnel. We can actually click all, and it'll search through the database and look at all our personnel, just in case you have something else in the database and you're looking to find out one of those people that you might have archived. If we wanted to unarchive an archived record, we just open the record, change their status to active, click save, and now they're in the active search. Change our status to active, and it refreshes, and now you see that our person is actually now active. We can search by any one of these fields by a partial, or we can leave it completely blank, which will then bring up our complete field. We're listed under non-archive status, meaning that it's everybody that is in the system, any other status other than archived. And so if we have some inactives or we have somebody that's a temporary, they will also show up. And as you can see, this list can get very long, and it tells us we found 22 records. You could have 300 or 400 records in here or more and need to filter down. So we'll go back and we'll look for the Davids again. DAV. As you can see, we can narrow this filter down like we did before.